For years, music supervisors have been the tastemakers of the entertainment world, handpicking songs for movies, TV shows, and commercials. They have an ear for what works, a sense of timing, and a deep understanding of how music can elevate a scene. But guess what? AI is muscling in on their turf. This new wave of technology is changing the game, bringing a level of efficiency and precision that was previously unimaginable. AI tools like Cyanite, Ames API, and Museo are like super-powered search engines for music. They can sift through vast libraries of songs, making connections and recommendations that a human might miss. They can analyze millions of songs in the blink of an eye, identifying the mood, genre, and even the instruments used. This level of detail and speed is revolutionizing how music is selected for various media. Need a song that's upbeat, has a driving beat, and features an electric guitar solo? No problem. The AI can pinpoint exactly what you're looking for in seconds. AI can find it faster than you can say rock and roll. This speed and accuracy are game changers for the industry. This means finding the perfect song is no longer about who you know, but about what the AI can dig up. The future of music supervision is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Companies like SongTrader and MatchTune are leading the charge in this AI revolution. They're building platforms that connect businesses with the perfect music, cutting out the middleman. That's the music supervisor. These platforms are like giant digital libraries of music, all tagged and categorized by AI. Need a song for a car commercial? No problem. The AI can find you a track that screams speed and adventure. This is a game changer for independent artists too. AI can help them get their music heard by the right people, opening doors that were previously closed. Section 4. Music supervisors, dinosaurs or shapeshifters. Are they becoming relics of the past, or are they evolving into something new and exciting? So, does this mean music supervisors are going the way of the dinosaurs, becoming obsolete in the face of advancing technology? Not so fast. While AI is undoubtedly changing the landscape, human creativity and intuition remain irreplaceable. The role of a music supervisor is evolving, not disappearing. The best music supervisors are more than just song finders. They're storytellers who understand the intricate relationship between music and narrative. They know how to use music to evoke emotions and enhance a scene, making it unforgettable. Their expertise goes beyond just picking the right track. The future belongs to those who can adapt and embrace new technologies while maintaining their creative edge. Music supervisors who embrace AI and use it to their advantage will thrive in this new world. They can leverage AI to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more creative endeavors. They can focus on the creative side of things, using AI as a powerful tool to enhance their work, ensuring that the art of music supervision continues to flourish. Here's where things get really interesting. Imagine a world where your favorite tunes are not just discovered by AI but created by it. This is not science fiction, it's happening right now. AI isn't just changing how we find music, it's changing how music is made. From composing melodies to mastering tracks, AI is revolutionizing the entire music production process. AI-powered production libraries are popping up, offering royalty-free music composed entirely by, you guessed it, AI. These libraries are vast, diverse, and ever-expanding, providing endless possibilities for creators. This music can be customized to fit any length or style, making it perfect for everything from corporate videos to video games. The level of personalization available is unprecedented. This raises some big questions. What does this mean for human composers and musicians? Will AI eventually replace human composers? Or will it become a tool that enhances human creativity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in music? Will we lose that human touch in our music? The emotional depth and nuance that only a human can bring? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure. The future of music is going to be a wild ride. The fusion of AI and human creativity could lead to new genres and styles we can't even imagine yet. So, what do you think? Are we on the brink of a musical revolution? Is this the end of an era or the dawn of something new and exciting? The possibilities are endless, and the journey has just begun.